We're going to explain how to turn a link into a word, meaning how to extract the most important or descriptive word from a web address or URL. There isn't a single button or magical process to do this perfectly for all links, but we can use several techniques depending on the kind of link and what you're trying to achieve. Manually identifying keywords. This is the simplest method. Look at the URL itself. Often the URL contains words that clearly represent the website or page's content. For example, if you have a URL like www.example.com/bestrunningshoes, you could easily choose shoes or running as the word representing this link. The key is to select the word that best summarizes the link's destination. If you're dealing with shorter URLs or those using URL shorteners, this method might be less effective. Consider the context. If the link is to a product review site, you might focus on the product category rather than the brand name if it's a less recognizable brand. 2. Using URL shorteners and customizations. Some URL shorteners like Bitly allow you to customize the short link. Instead of a random string of letters and numbers, you can create a shortened URL with relevant keywords. For example, you might shorten www.example.com/bestrunningshoes to bit.ly running shoes. This method gives you direct control over the word associated with the link. This is a proactive approach. You choose the word before sharing the link. 3. Using programming or scripting. For more advanced users, you can write a simple script, using Python for instance, to process URLs. This script could analyze the URL, extract words, and identify relevant keywords based on different criteria. For example, it might prioritize words appearing multiple times, or weight them based on their position in the URL. This requires coding skills, but allows for highly customized and automated solutions, ideal for processing lots of URLs. The actual script writing is beyond the scope of this explanation, but many examples are available online. 4. Leveraging website title or meta descriptions. Many times, the title of a web page or its meta description, the short description appearing in search engine results, perfectly summarizes the content. You can use browser tools or browser extensions, add-ons, to easily copy and paste the title or description, and then select a keyword or short phrase from it that summarizes the link's purpose. This method gives you more context and human-level interpretation than just looking at the URL alone. Short, turning a link into a word involves using your judgment, available tools, or some programming to distill the essence of the link's content into a single, representative word or a short phrase. The best approach will depend on your technical skills and the nature of the links you're working with. Remember to consider the context of where you're using this word, in a social media post, a spreadsheet, or a research document, and select the word accordingly.